Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you. Hi, welcome to Murli Maths class. So today we will learn trigonometry, exercise 6.3. In that second problem, the horizontal distance between two buildings is 70 meters. The angle of depression of the top of the first building when seen from the top of the second building is 45 degrees. If the height of the second building is 120 meters, find the height of the first building. So this is the problem they gave. So what we have to do now? Based on this, we have to draw diagram for this. The horizontal distance between two buildings. So we have two buildings. Draw two buildings now. One building I am drawing like this, and this may be the ground. Okay, building 1, building 2, ground. The horizontal distance between two buildings is 70 meters. So these are the two buildings. Distance, how much they gave? 70 meters. The angle of depression of the top of first building when seen from the top of the second building is 45 degrees. The angle of depression of the top of the first building, so top of the first building, angle of depression when seen from the top of the second building is 45 degrees. So from here is seeing the top of the first building. So join this both. How much it is given? 45 degrees. So for that, what we have to do? Ground level now, for this ground level we have to take one parallel line. Now you mark 45 degrees here. Okay. If the height of the second building, this is second building is 120 meters. This is the height. This height is given as 120 meters. Find the height of the first building. So this is first building. We need to find the height for this, h. So observe here. If it is h, this also will be h only. This is h means this also h. Then this length how much will be there? That will be from total 120 you subtract this h. So this will be 120 minus h. 120 minus h. Okay. Now from here to here, if it is 70 means this length is also 70, same. Now give the name for this: A, B, C. So from triangle A, B, C, tan 45 degrees equals to, we need to find this height. Okay, so tan 45 degrees equals to opposite side to 45 degrees, adjacent side to 45 degrees. Tan 45, answer is 1. Opposite side to 45 degrees, opposite side, this is the opposite side, BC. BC. So BC is opposite side. What is the length of this? 120 minus h. Then adjacent side to 45 degrees. 45 degrees here, adjacent side is this length, 70. Now 1 is written as 1 by 1. Do cross multiplication. 70 into 1, 70. 70 into 1, 70. 1 into 120 minus 1, 120 minus h only you will get. So now minus h towards left hand side, 70 towards right hand side. Do like this. If you do like this, what you will get? You will get minus h left hand side plus h, 120 as it is, plus 70 right hand side minus 70, 120 minus 70, 50. So therefore height of first building is, how much we got? 50 meters. 50 meters. That's all. Okay, thank you.